ka nandyan. Ha, copper? Takas ka na naman. Goodbye 5,000. So we're trying it. Look at this. Baileys. Red. We'll wait for green. Then press it. It's ready. Insert. Let's transform this rusty container. Kasi sa CR siya nababasa lagi. So spray paint. Let's put some rust converter. Let's transform it.
Once again, your new and friendly assignment will be K10.
Amazed ako dito sa mga wall decors ng hotel. Okay naman yung room. It's nice. Big bed. Cool. Hello, Taiwan. It's 7 a.m. We got here sa hotel at 4 a.m. It's a gloomy day. Tayo mga dyan, kulong tayo sa tulog. Just walk around. There's 7-Eleven. We have beautiful Taiwan. But there's a McDonald's there. I think there's some there. Horrible. Pero ito yung mga birds dito ko. Panalo. Zizi plant. Good for business. Malamig. There's a burger shop. Since 2013. Let's cross the road. I think it's a school. Let's see. Yeah, it's a school. Oh. It's another park. Pwede nga rin sila sa park. Cute. I don't wanna go there. Ganda dito. Daming gandang bilhin 7-Eleven. Di ko alam kung ano. I wanna try everything. Look at this beautiful park. Wala pa tayo sa Taipei downtown talaga. to see it. I wanna do that also. Let's go around. Grabe. Yung flooring niya, yung foamed. Nakakatuwa. I mean, look at this. It's a playground for kids. Napakaganda. And free lang siya. It's a public park. I wanna do this. This one. Sarap din to. Ito okay lang, nakakailo. Ito hindi ko alam kung paano. Actually, parang you go around. So there's a temple there, I think, huh? So let's check. It's called, I think it's 18 or 19. I love Taiwan. That's their flag. There's a temple. I think that's a school. It's not our school. We don't know what it is. Oh, I think it's another park. Like Walk Road. I think it's another part of the for stretching. It's good, I'll fall asleep. Kaya na-stretch yung mga innards ko. Sarap. And then pull up. Oh. I feel good. At kuya tayo. It's 8 o'clock na. Tulog pa yung senses ko. Deep breathing lang tayo kasi it was 7-Eleven. I was asking about the MRT card. They don't know. I think it's not for sale there. So we need to go to the station. May apps naman na you can track yung mga MRT stations. Hello, cute dogs. I was looking, hi. It's a nakita. Stretch your muscles. Enjoy. Tapos pag-uwi mo ng Pinas, init na naman. It's summer. And that's their school ground pala. May morning exercise din sila. Oh, look. Sarap. Thank you. Naka-stretch siya. Galing. Meron pa dito. Let's try it also. Parang mabuhayan ako ng tiga. This one is a turn. Oh, yes. Ito yung isa. Hindi ko alam po ano. Siguro, okay. Ipupull mo yan. Push mo siguro pa taas. So they call this Sprint Master. Strengthens your leg muscles and improves lower body flexibility. Observe niyo yung houses dito, di ba? Para mga stone finish lang siya. Hindi nga, it's not even stone finished. It's a matte finish na ganyan. That's what I wanted sa andun. sa LP. Ang cute tingnan, is more natural than painted, diba? But inside, it's cool. Look. And that's parang Zumba here. Taishi. Look, mas more natural yung look ng mga structures pag gano'n, hindi siya painted. And yan, mga nanay, lola, si Zumba. Look at the flowers. It looks like Bougainvillea, but it's not. Diba? Cool. Baka it's another variety. This is the school. Parang I wanna try that burger for breakfast siguro. Para iba naman. Because our hotel is just there. So, punta ako doon sa may McDonald's doon. But then I'll go back for this one. OMG! Good morning po. Look at this, Phalaenopsis. And orchids. Nandito lang siya sa walkway. Good morning, how beautiful. Even these plants, tapos yung naglilinis. Ang cute ng brooms nila. Ang cute. Ano na leaves ng old trees. That's a bus. Sanchong bus. KKB 1796. Oh, there's a station there. Oh, okay. I've been here thrice already, so this is my 4th time. Pero, siyempre, I don't stay here lang. Hindi mo rin remember lahat. That's our hotel. Right there. Look at this. This is just a button with lots of plants. And that's our hotel. So I'll walk here now. Exercise na rin ako. Hindi man tayo nakatakbo. Or later. Bakit? Whole day din naman tayo maglalakad. So it's okay. Oh, there's Coco. Yung meron na sa Pinas. Oh, meron dito ang parang pinipilahan for morning breakfast. Siguro. There's even another. There's another burger here, Laya Burger. Yung mga ali nila, diba? Nag-edit parang bridges. That. Even that one. 7-Eleven. Wala kang makita ng dumi sa kalsada. Diba? Sana wala. Diba? Look at that. Para tayo nasa Avenida in Manila. But this is far cleaner. Zengi Road. So dito tayo galing from the airport yesterday, last night. Ang napakamahal na airport taxi. Nakabot kami ng 3,000 just to get here. Me, I won't mind living here, pero problem, I don't know how to speak Chinese. I think I should learn Chinese. Cantonese, Mandarin. Mukha naman ako in check. Or mukha akong Hapon. Or mukha akong we follow all the traffic rules, of course. Baka makita susugod-sugod yung kung Pinas yan, sugod. Yan ang nakakainis, nakaka-frustrate sa Pinas minsan, diba? Na pwede namang sumunod. Ay, bakit we always choose not to. Times. Diba? Hindi lang, simple rules lang. If we're outside naman, we get to follow. Siyempre, yung kapintasan na isa, kapintasan ng lahat. So, sabihin Pinoy, kasama tayo doon kasi Pinoy. Diba? ikaw sa sarili mo, you try to follow the rules. Pero kapag may isang hindi, damay ka dun. This is a shopping district din itong stretch na to. Even if nobody's looking, or you know, I just have to follow. Look, oh, that's right. Oh, sorry, not supposed to walk. They're green, so they can walk. As simple as that. Pero hindi, kung sabihin na, sorry, takbo. Sabi na ako, pag nakita ka, oh, oh, there's another bus, 704. I don't know where that is. Madili na maintindihan yung ano dito. So, you just have to have the map. I'll double check later. Sana yung McDonald's? I see the Burger King already. Oh, that's another bus stop. There we go. So, that's our hotel. So, may bus stop doon. There's another bus stop here. Later, we'll check. Yung MRT station, diba? Oh, how convenient for even for the PWDs. Kasi yung pavement nila so good. Oh, you can easily go outside and then that's it. Sabi ko hindi na nakita yung McDonald's. Ay, sila yeah, that's our bad example. Yun na pala yung logo. So I have to go back. Nalagpasan ko na siya. This is the Burger King. Oh, they're closed pa in Burger King. Okay. This is 7-Eleven. There's just another store. Oh, part of the state. May Family Mart pa nga dito. Ito eh. Family Mart originated here. Could be. I'm not so sure. Ngayon doon na tayo sa mga 2 more stoplights and then we'll go back. Kaya hindi na masyadong malamig. Kaya na super lamig. Kasi it's 8:30 in the morning already. Kaya mo sa mga bus stops, naka-indicate yung minutes kung ano yung time of arrival ng mga bus. And one thing more, if you'll check it sa app, naka-indicate din yung time of arrival ng bus dun sa station na yun. So you can easily check and you can go conveniently dun sa station or sa bus stop para dun sa closest time ng arrival ng bus. There's another McDonald's here. I think this is the farthest we'll get for now. Sa CR na rin ako, so and doon pa yung photo natin doon, so that's it. Ciao. Look at the alley here, oh, ang liit ng kalsada, diba? Patin ang linis. At kalsada niya sa Tondo. Or life. Starbucks, they're open now. Pero hindi siya masyadong matao. Strangely, dun tayo galing sa other side. I was looking for McDonald's. Daanan ko na pala siya, hindi ko siya napansin. Weird. Or it's just a signage. Ayan, that's a bus stop. 10 AM pa nagbubukas. So, McDonald's kanina nakita ko. I think it's in the second floor. Let's cross. And there's a McDonald's yun nga sa taas nga. Good. Hindi ka nga.
Gusto ko yung cold na.